everyone, I'm Manali
And I am Mehuli.
and welcome to our channel.
So we shopped a lot from Nykaa recently. So this is going to be our first Nykaa haul video.
And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.
So let's get into the video.
So first up, I have the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. I've heard really great reviews about this one, always wanted to try this. It comes in a pretty decent size package. It's a 30-gram tube and it's a clear primer and the consistency is really nice and smooth. I'm really excited to use this one.
So as for my first thing that I bought is the Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact. This is the packaging. So I really needed a compact powder or a face powder because I ran out of mine. So this is what it looks like from the packaging, and this is actually pretty nice and sturdy with a nice mirror and a puff and everything, and I think the shade should match me, so yeah.
Next up, I have this NYX HD Concealer. It's the NYX Professional Makeup HD Studio Photogenic Concealer Corrector in the shade CW04 Beige. And as for the consistency, like you can see, it's a pretty thick consistency and it has a medium to high coverage. It's a full coverage kind of a concealer, and yeah, I think it blends well as well. It blends pretty well. So yeah, excited to use this one.
So for my next product is the Swiss Beauty exclusive eye color collection. Now this is a eyeshadow palette and this has 12 shades. The reason behind buying this one, so these are the shades. As you can see, they are pretty colorful. So the reason behind buying this was I really wanted to try out doing really colorful makeup looks, but I didn't want to invest much in a in an eyeshadow palette, so that's why I got this. This was pretty cheap also, and I think the packaging looks nice, the colors look nice. So
it also has a nice big mirror. Yeah.
And one, I don't know if we can use this, but this sponge kind of brush.
Now next up is this. This is the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Now I've been waiting for so long to lay my hands on this particular product because I've heard really great reviews about this one. So this liquid illuminator basically can be used along with your foundation or as a liquid highlighter on top of your cheekbone, and it does wonders to your skin. So this is in the shade Gleam, and like you can see, I'll swatch a little bit for you. So this is what it does. Can you see that shine? It's lovely and it blends so nicely and so easily.
So the next product I got was the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade 02 Diamond Dust. Now I particularly really wanted a liquid eyeshadow because I don't know, I have seen so many tutorials and they have been using this kind of liquid eyeshadow, and I think this gives your eye makeup look a really extra shine and glitter. So I got this shade because this felt pretty neutral. I can use it for many different looks. This is kind of a silvery shade and this is gorgeous. This looks really pretty. Yeah. So yeah, I'm very excited to use this.
The next product that I have is the Rimmel London Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. This is in the shade 212 Rich Brown, and this basically is an eyeliner, a brown one. I always wanted a brown one, and this is how it looks. really nice and smooth texture, and the best thing is that it also has a smudger at the back. So basically you can smudge this and create a smoky look. See? So really excited to use this one.
Now for my next product, I have the basic Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. Again, I ran out of a Kajal, so I just got this. Nothing much to say about this one. It works pretty well. It's nice. So yeah.
The next product that I have is the Revolution Pro Ultimate Artists Palette. This is created by Lan Nguyen in partnership with Makeup Revolution. And so this is the outer cover, and the palette actually looks like this. So it looks like a leather bound book.
Wow.
And if you open this, this is what it has. So it has everything for your face. It has 4 types of powders, 4 types of blush, and this is completely for this much is eyeshadow, and these last 8 are the lip tints, basically like lip colors and lip glosses. It has pretty much all the colors that you would need, the basic ones. It has 8 iconics, 8 bright colors, and again this also can be used to achieve a colorful eye makeup look. And you're really excited for all of this. I think this is a great buy.
Now, as for my next buy, this is the Nykaa Get Set Matte Demi Matte Lip Cream. Now, I mentioned it in a previous video that I don't prefer full matte lipsticks that much, so I wanted to try this formulation. The packaging is really pretty, and this is the shade 10 Lit. Okay, so I wanted a reddish kind of shade because I don't own one like this. A bit pinky red. So I would love to test out this formulation by Nykaa. And this is the color. It's a bit like pinky red.
The next product that I have is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. Now, I've never used a brow mascara before, and I thought why not try this NYX one, because it looks promising. Now, the shade that I got was brunette, and yeah, pretty much never used a brow mascara before, so this is what I'm going to try, and maybe I'll let you know how this works out.
So next up I have this. I really didn't anticipate it to be this tiny, but this is the Nykaa Matte to Last Mini Liquid Lipstick, and in the shade Kashi. The only reason I got this is I wanted to try out newer shades of lipstick, because I always kind of more or less wear nude shades. This is a bit different. This is so tiny and cute, but I actually didn't want to spend much because I was just trying out this shade. But still, this is very, very tiny.
It's the size of your pinky finger, I think.
Actually.
Your pinky finger is longer than that.
But anyway, so this is the shade. The shade is actually very beautiful. So this is also kind of nude, but a darker one. I don't know how to explain the shade. Once I use it, then I will let you know.
Now, with all the products that I bought a lot of NYX products, and I also had this Makeup Revolution Pro palette. So this product, I actually got it as a free product along with the Revolution Pro palette. This is the Revolution Pro matte lipstick. Yeah, the Pro Supreme lipstick, and this is in the shade Domineer. So this is how the shade looks like. It's like a nice pinkish nude shade, and it looks really great here. Let's see how this works out. And I also got this cute little tote bag with all the NYX products that I bought. This says "Can't Stop, Won't Stop," and it's a free product with the NYX items.
The next thing I got is a skincare product from Biotique. This is the Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Serum. Now I am not really good at skincare. I don't own many things, and I have wanted to try a serum. So this is what it looks like. It is okayish size, and let's see how this works. I'm not sure.
I have a hair product next. This is the Wow shampoo. This is for hair loss control therapy, and yeah, I've been having a lot of hair fall recently and I wanted to use this one. And I have never personally used a Wow shampoo before. She
I
has.
have, yeah.
And yeah, she recommended me to use the Wow Science shampoos. So I'm going to try this one. This is how the bottle looks like. It's a nice big bottle. 300 ml to be precise. So yeah, let's see how this works out for me.
So for my last product, I have these two Ever Youth, what is this? Tulsi Turmeric Face Wash and Exfoliating Walnut Scrub. Now these two actually came as a combo and they were pretty cheap. So that's why I got these, because we both needed scrub and face wash, new face wash.
So yeah, those are all the products that we bought, and more or less I think we both bought all the products that we actually needed and wanted to try.
Yeah, and I think we both got pretty good deals on all the products. Actually, Nykaa always has some or other sale going on every month, so you should always buy in these sale times.
So that's it for this video. We hope you liked it and see you again soon. Bye.